Hi guys. So mo ni ato recipe karon. Okay. Karon na putor nila. Okay. So this is very yummy. Yummy, you know why? And chicken is delicious. Okay. So inana lang na siya ka simple pero delicious. Okay guys. So dito mo gamit nan gamit ng burger bread because chicken is most delicious. Okay, okay. So, I'm sure wala ko'y mabilin ani para ugma because upat ra ka ako taghimo. So, tag-isa sila og tunga ako ang isa. Because napamay laing putahe. Okay, 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 okay. Ketchup and mayonnaise. So, bye!